Guess what's next? Painting. Friday night painting. I emptied my office. Move shit to the middle. So I can paint. Then my Kyoto Brothers signatures on the back of the clown. There's my apple pick. I'm looking for this bad boy. It's mine. Not your clown. Not yours. Mine. Mine. I'm recording you, so don't do anything crazy.
Oh, don't worry, I will.
Oh. So how was your first time ever on set?
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Nothing bad yet, huh?
No, not yet.
Dave's young, excuse me.
Dave's
There's
young.
plenty of time.
Yeah. We'll try harder.
Yeah. So can you do stuff like where you like flip over on that thing?
Like, yeah, I can. I can do all kinds of stuff. Like, I can do. Then I go back.
Oh my god.
That's gonna be cool.
Are you wearing panties?
No.
What the F?
I usually don't.
Really?
Yeah, I don't.
Hey, I'll say this. No one in this room right now is wearing panties. Well,
Exactly, that's good. No? I'm just wearing a thong, that's all.
Oh, it's okay. Thongs are okay. I did that time.
Oh, hey! I got to close the little black thing.
I did.
Hey!
There's no such thing as a little black thing, by the way.
Well, it's like, what's wide and 10 inches long? Nothing.
That's bullshit and porn there is, actually.
Okay,
Is
what's
there
wide?
So, we got new guns. We went shopping at Walmart for props. We wanted to buy a bunch of new guns. Look. We got each one. We're gonna test out spfotola's one right now. I'm gonna let him shoot me in my face because I have a, what do you call it on?
Oh, that's far enough. Not too far? Are we ready?
Hold on, hold on. Go for it. Ow! Ow!
Hold on. Are we out?
Beautiful.
We're out.
Now spfotola has the fun of picking all these up.
Oh, how cool is that?
Oh, that was kind of cool. That was kind of cool. We need two of these.
Because I know I definitely got you like right in the face a bunch of times.
All right. It's 1:45. Hi. Painted the office. I'm going to show you. Office is painted. Now I'm going to go to Ron Ellis's, get his ass, and we're going to 7-Eleven. But watch this. It looks fucking good. Look how that pops against that purple. That looks great. Fuck. I almost want to backlight this, the purple there. Keep this off the wall a little bit and backlight it with a couple of lights. That might be dope. I might do that actually. We'll see. Anyways, that's what it looks like. It's hard to tell on this shitty camera with auto exposure, but it looks fucking badass. It looks really good so far. We'll see when it dries.
Yeah.
Oh, is that your stripper dance?
Yeah.
That's how you dance? Yeah. Oh, you do the sprinkler, right?
I do the sprinkler.
Yeah, that's nice. She does the sprinkler.
Oh, is there a tag on those shorts?
Oh, yeah.
Oh man, jeez. We thought you were already a professional.
I
Not so
know. I forgot the
much.
tag. Although I did get the tag on the bra.
Yeah.
But damn, leave it to me to forget.
Jeez.
Okay.
Let's go.
See you later.
Where are we going? This way?
Nice ass, spfotola.
Thanks.
I think I'm done. I did 2.5 layers. So I did 2 layers, and then I went and touched up some more. Because they were like, this dark paint underneath is really showing, so. 3:45 a.m. I need to get some sleep. I'm gonna go nap.
Dance actually.
I'm doing a creeper cam right through the plants, dude. Just start shooting shit.
Okay, that's good. Okay, around.
Tomato, doesn't look good?
No, it looks like it's just like it was a little bright.
Uh-uh.
It's not good.
Just put it on that boat.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Right over the side.
Yeah.
Leaving them alone. Oh, it's nice in here. Oh. Oh shit, there are people.
A little powder.
Yeah, a little power, yeah. A little shiny, yeah, we'll do a little bit.
Probably because it's hot as balls outside.
I want to get these sets done first.
And see the hallway's getting cleaner. It's 4 a.m. right now. Here's the office. Put the hats up. Got that going. Got that going. Right here looks like a big empty space for some reason. I don't know. So I got my plaques up. Got my hats up. Got the DVDs. Got my show magazine right there. Put little rugs on the floor. Chair for people to kick it. Talk to me while I'm working. Right now I got capturing going on there. Rendering going on there. And I'm going to 7-Eleven. It's 4 a.m. I need a break. I need a break, I need a break, I need a break. Check it out. Check out how hot it is today. 110 degrees. 110 degrees, yo. It's fucking hot. Effing hot. Dark it is. It's 4 a.m. Go to 7-Eleven. Everything's going out. It's on and popping tonight at 4 a.m. on Tuesday.
Now it's...
Turn the AC off because it was hot earlier. Let's see, it's 72 degrees at 4:07. Actually, it's 4:02 because I always put my clock a little faster, so I'm never late. So there we go. Hey, scary people. All right, let's go. You know, some of this Isley Brothers at 4 a.m. pretty damn good. Pretty soothing, I tell you what.